Hello and welcome to the first video tutorial for EzeAccounting. In this video, we'll go through the registration process. But before that, let's have a look at the first page of EzeAccounting online application. It's pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. EzeAccounting offers 14 days free trial period. Amazing features that allow you to manage all aspects of your business in one application. Best pricing plans. You can choose monthly subscription or you can opt for a yearly subscription and enjoy 1 month free offer. After you click on sign up, you get a registration form. We made it very easy to register and start managing your business within minutes. Enter the registrant full name. A valid registrant email and phone number is required for verification and account activation. To choose a language, English is the only available language at this moment. More languages will be added soon. The country section is set to Tanzania, as this application is dedicated to Tanzanian market. However, you can choose any city within Tanzania territory. Next, you select the required plan. All 3 plans will offer 14 days free trial period. Here you need to enter company legal name. This name will appear in all your transactions, bills and invoices. Next, you enter a valid company email and phone number. These records will appear in your bills and invoices. It is important to choose the correct company activity sector, as the system will generate your chart of accounts list as per the selected sector. Here you can choose the currency that you will use for your accounting transactions. Then you enter your password that needs to be minimum 8 digits or characters, or you can mix both for more password security. The password will be encrypted and saved in our database, so it is totally secured. All done, you can click on register to finish the registration process. Once your registration is successful, you'll be directed to this page with a message to verify your email. Please check your inbox for the validation email. If you are using Gmail or Hotmail, the email might end up in your spam folder. Please check and make sure you select not a spam, so all future emails will come to your inbox. When you open the verification email, you'll find a button that says verify your email address. You click this button. Or, if you cannot see the button, there will be a link below. You can also click this link to verify your email address. You will be then directed to your workflow page in your application account. You will see the full menu on the left. Here you can access your general dashboard. Here you can access your profile in all the modules of the application. As we have finished the registration process, in the next video we'll go through all the modules with details. See you in the next video.